Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about part of speech. There are 8 part of speech in English. We discuss that there are in all 8 part of speech in English. One noun, second pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. We discuss first noun. What is meant by noun? A noun is a naming word. It is a name of person, an animals, things, an idea or process. All of us use a noun in sentence like Revati, king, cattle, village or whatever. For example, Revati is a beautiful girl. The beautiful girl is a Revati. Revati is a noun in sentence. In second, pronoun. What is meant by pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in a place of noun. For example, I, me, he, she, it, they, you, ourselves, someone. Also, all of that are pronoun. We use the pronoun in sentences by replacing the noun. We can't use always noun in sentence. So, we use pronoun in the sentences. For example, Revati is a beautiful girl. She is wise also. In that sentence, Revati is noun, but we never use in second sentence noun. That's why we replace the noun and use the pronoun. So there is I, me, he, she, it, they, you, ourselves, someone. All that are pronoun which is take place or replaced by noun. Replaced by pronoun and use noun. The third part of speech is verb. What is meant by verb? A verb is a word that show an action, a state or possession. In the sentences, there is a most important role of verb. Verb show action, state or possession. Action show by do, does, did, run, write, whatever it may be given in the sentence, that is show the action in the sentence. Then verb show the state, am, is, are, was, were. That to be form or that verb form show the state in the sentence. Has, have, had show the possession in the sentences. For example, she has 3 books. Has means she has, in Marathi we say has means asne. She has 3 books. The possession will be shown in the sentence by that verb. And fourth part of speech is adjective. What is meant by adjective? An adjective is a word that is describe a noun or pronoun. A word that show the description of noun or pronoun. For example, easy, wise, simple, active, wealthy, peaceful, fearless, three, those, which. All that are adjective which is describe the noun or pronoun in the sentence. For example, we can see this is very easy question. The question is noun and the question described by the easy that word, so we call the easy an adjective. There is a fifth part of speech in English, adverb. What is meant by adverb? An adverb is a word that say something more about a verb, an adjective or another adverb. There is a verb in all sentences and that verb described by adverb. There is a definition of the adverb is an adverb is a word that says something more about verb. That's called adverb. There is a for example of the adverb is very, always, here, now, somehow. For example, I can say She is very beautiful. Beautiful is a verb and adjective, and there is adjective described by very that word. Or always we use in sentence that she always go to school. Always describe the go verb, that go is a verb, and go described by always called adverb. A word that says something more about verb, that's called adverb. 6th number of a preposition is a part of speech. Preposition, what is meant by preposition? A preposition is a word that show the relation between another word and noun or pronoun that follow it. There is lot of preposition in the English. For example, to, at, by, on, from, within, over, all that are preposition which is make a beautiful of English language. For example, we use to. Sita go to Bombay. To is preposition. Suppose we use by in sentence. We write by pen in a notebook. On a notebook. By is a preposition in the sentences. The 7th number of part of speech of conjunction. What is meant by conjunction? A conjunction, a word that join the two words, phrases or clauses. Two words joined by one word which called conjunction in English. For example, and, but, if, when, because, although, it's, all that are conjunction. For example, we use and in sentence. I go to school and sit on first benches. I go to school and sit on first benches. That's two sentences joined by and that conjunction. 8th and last part of speech in English, interjection. What is meant by interjection? An interjection is a word that expresses some sudden or strong feeling. If we speak any sentences and we express our sudden feeling, for example, wow, what a beautiful girl. Wow, this is our sudden feeling, which is that's word express. For example, alas, bravo, wow, oh, oops. That's all that's word are interjection. Wow, this is very beautiful. Wow, that's word shows our sudden feeling in the sentence. Oops, that is very dirty. The oops, that's word show the sudden feelings in the sentence. So all that's words call interjection. So student, we discuss 8 part of speech in English. I hope you like my explanation. So subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you. Bye bye.